Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. OpenAI's video model Sora-2 just dropped and it's insane. So this AI can literally turn your text into full cinematic videos in seconds. And in this tutorial, I'll show you how you can use it step by step, how to write prompts that get the best results, and what's new compared to the first version. So if you're ready to create videos just by typing, let's just jump right in. So first off, what is Sora 2? It's OpenAI latest text-to-video model that can generate ultra-realistic footage just from your descriptions. And compared to Sora 1, these new versions create longer, smoother, and more detailed clips. It understands lighting, movement, and even camera angles. Basically, it's like having a Hollywood studio inside your laptop. How to access it? So depending on when you are watching this, Sora 2 might still be in limited access for creators and developers. You can join the waitlist on OpenAI's official website or use early demo access through connected platforms if available. And in here, I'm using this Sora2.cloud, and this is the example of the video created in Sora 2. You can just play it. As you guys can see, it looks real like this, and quality is insane. So if you want to create a video from text, you can just type a detailed prompt describing what you want in the prompt box in here. You can see this is the step: write the prompt, set the options, and generate. So for example, I'm going to use this prompt: a cinematic shot of a woman walking through neon-lit Tokyo streets at night, rain falling, 4K quality, and with ultra-realistic lighting. So you can just hit on generate in here, but before that you can set the duration, and you can also toggle it to make the HD on or off, and choose the orientation. So for example, I'm going to go with portrait. Once you're done, you can just tap on generate video, and within seconds you'll get a full clip complete with camera motion, reflections, and texture that looks straight out of a movie. So here's the trick: the better your prompt, the better your video. You can use this formula: first subject, and then action plus environment plus mood or style, and then plus the camera type. For example, a drone shot of surfers riding massive ocean waves during golden hour with cinematic lighting and 4K detail. So the more specific your tone, camera, and lighting, the more realistic your result will be. So now what's new in Sora 2 compared to the first version? It has better motion stability, so no more jittery animations, and it has higher resolution and longer clips. It has realistic human motion and emotions, and also dynamic camera angles. So basically, Sora 2 feels alive. You can create short films, add concepts, or even YouTube B-roll just by typing text. And once your video is ready, you can download or export it directly. And that's how you can use Sora's new AI to create videos just by typing. If you find this tutorial helpful, hit like, subscribe, and also click on a thank you for watching, and I'll see you all in the next AI tutorial.